How to get Nike promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Nike promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Nike. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 25% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. You can copy the code, then click on Redeem at Nike. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in a code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Nike. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Nike. So this way you can easily get Nike promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.